These natural items should be present in your alternative first aid kit. Whether it is a minor headache, a sore throat, an upset stomach, or bug bites, you can handle them all effectively without turning to over-the-counter medications. That's right, you can use simple, natural remedies that your first aid kit should contain. Here are the items you should include in your alternative medical set. 1. Aloe vera gel. You can't store the plant in your box, but you can definitely have the gel or tissues that are aloe vera based. The gel has cooling properties as well as healing capabilities that can help reduce inflammation. Aloe vera gel will keep you ready for sunburns, minor burns, or kitchen scalds. 2. Activated charcoal. You should have this in your first aid kit if you are prone to being gassy and bloated. Activated charcoal has the ability to absorb excess gas and acid in the gut. As a result, this can provide relief from acid reflux, bloating, and indigestion. 3. Chamomile. You have choices, such as tea bags, essential oil, and lotion. Chamomile is a must-have in your natural first aid kit as it is a mild sedative, with anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and antibacterial properties. With these traits, chamomile can be used to treat indigestion, bloating, and stomach pains. It can also be used to reduce skin irritation, headaches, tension, and stress. Chamomile oil is used for muscle pain and bug bites. You can use simple, natural remedies that your first aid kit should contain. Pick help. 4. Cayenne powder. This spice is not only for adding flavor to your food, but also for stopping bleeding. This could even be helpful in increasing blood flow, clearing blockages, and stopping heart attacks when taken internally. 5. Ginger. If you regularly experience stomach upset, this should definitely be in your first aid kit, especially since the effects are remarkably fast. Capsules can be useful against acid reflux, nausea, and morning sickness for pregnant women. 6. Apple cider vinegar. In many home remedies for various conditions, you will see apple cider vinegar in the list. ACV is useful against indigestion and other digestive problems. It may even be used for food poisoning. 7. Baking soda. Keep this on hand all the time, especially if you frequently suffer from heartburn. It is also useful for those with urinary tract infections or UTI. Aside from the natural items listed above, you should have a sturdy container where you will store the first aid supplies. It works better if there is a handle for the container for mobility. A locking lid is also a great choice, especially if you have children in the house.